Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Cancerian placements. Okay, love reading ngayong September, past and current, and new love. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong pagdating po sa ating private or personal reading, kung may mga tanong, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Same name lang ng ating channel, ang ating FB page. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, let's start. Unahin natin si past or si current. Okay. Past, current, person. Okay. Ano bang meron? Anong situation? Okay. Cancer. Okay. There. Fantasy. Okay. Daydreaming, imagining, fantasize. Okay. So, someone is fantasizing, daydreaming, imagining, spying, stalking. Okay. So, one more. For Cancerians. Confession. Okay, so unveiling, coming clean, messages. Some of you, maybe you're daydreaming na meron kang kausap or pwedeng kausap mo itong tao na iniisip mo. Okay, one make peace with the past or with the current. Okay, yeah. So, tingnan natin, no? Okay. Dito ka muna. Iyon. Okay. So, fantasy and confession. Some of you, meron ditong nag-iisip, no? Nag-i-imagine na nagkakaayos kayo or naging okay na kayo. Yeah. Maybe this person. Okay, ang gumagawa nito kung hindi kayo yung gumagawa. Yeah. Someone is talking. Yeah, kanina nakita ko. Someone wants to talk. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Cancer. Anong meron sa situation? Situation muna ng mga Cancerians and their person. Okay. The Seven of Swords. Yeah, this is stalking, spying. Okay. Nakakita ko rito ng may mga salitang naibato kahit hindi naman sinasadya. Yung parang paulit-ulit na yun ang nakatatak sa utak ng isa. I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng itong person mo is an air sign. Okay? Yeah, and maybe pwedeng siya yung gumagawa ng you're okay na, parang ganyan, nakapag-ayos na, forgive na, like that. Okay? Or sabihin natin as simple as nagkakausap. Okay? May nag-iisip dito or nagde-daydream na nag-uusap na kayo. Okay? What's with the Seven of Swords? Some of you in the past may mga na-reveal. Okay? May mga na-reveal. Yeah. The Five of Wands universe. Iba sa inyo, may kanya-kanyang situation. Okay? Like, may mga issue, pero hindi pinapansin yung issue. Okay, the Star in reverse. Yup. May issue pero hindi nabibigyang pansin or hindi talaga pinapansin. Ano bang meron sa person mo? Cancer. Anong meron sa person mo? Okay. The Nine of Cups. Oh, pwedeng siya dumating sa punto na parang siya yung wish fulfillment mo. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay, the Nine of Cups. This is something like wish fulfillment, happiness, nagbigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan itong taong to in general. Yeah, okay? Some of them, may personality sila na kaya nilang mabuhay or kaya nilang maging masaya kahit wala silang kakonek. So, there's like a tendency na parang nagiging selfish ito minsan. Okay? Kasi they are emotionally independent. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Ano emosyon niya towards you? Cancer. Ano emosyon niya towards you? The Ten of Cups. And the Emperor in reverse. The Lovers. Masaya siya. Okay? Masaya siya kung kayo magka-connect sa ngayon. Masaya siya. Pero nandoon yung pangungontrol. May limit pagdating sa taong to. Kung kayo is hiwalay, okay? Pinipili nila like ayaw nilang mabuboost yung ego nila. So they're trying na maging masaya. Okay? Pinipili nilang maging masaya sa ngayon. Yeah, the Lovers. But yeah, there is a strong connection. Lalo na nga kung meron ditong separation, there is a strong connection. Yeah, someone is fantasizing. Okay. So, ano ang next action niya if ever? Again, the Lovers. To connect, to reconnect. Okay. The Temperance. Some of them, they're waiting for the right timing. Some of you, sabihin kung meron kayong past life connection. Okay? Past life connection. Pwedeng soulmate, pwedeng twin flame. Okay? Basta nagtagpo na kayo nitong taong to sa past life. Yeah. Okay? Kung kayo nagkaroon ng separation, sa kabilang, sabihin natin, sa kabilang buhay, susunod, no? Na mabuhay tayong muli, na mabuhay kayong muli, magko-connect pa rin kayo nito. Yeah. Kasi pwedeng hindi ito naging, this is deep, Cancer. Hanggat hindi nagiging successful itong connection na to, hanggat hindi kayo yung nagiging kayo mismo, hindi ito matatapos. Yes. Yeah. Diba sa inyo, itong taong to may family? Yeah, may family involved. Wrong timing, ika nga. Magkikita at magkikita pa rin kayo nito sa susunod na buhay. No? Oo. Next action is the lovers. The Seven of Cups. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. This is you. This is unfinished business. This is can't move on. Yeah. Someone is open ang option, or maybe there's someone else in the mix. No, kaya yes, this is deep. Cancer, this is deep. Sabi ko nga, umpisa pa lang, may issue dito, pero hindi binibigyang pansin. Diba rito, pwedeng may third party. Okay? Pwedeng kayo ang third party. Itong taong to is my person, or meron ng karelasyon sa ngayon. They're happy. Okay? In general. No? But yeah, siya rin ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan. Or siyang nagbigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan. For you, this person is your wish fulfillment. But, hindi mo makuha. No? Hindi mo makuha kasi someone is involved already. In a connection na already. So, ano mangyayari? This is a failed. No? Failed. So, magkukunik ulit kayo nito. Yeah. Sabi ko nga, some of you may past life connection. Nagkita na kayo nito noon, nagkita ulit kayo ngayon. Magkikita ulit kayo sa susunod. I don't know kung ilan taon, ilang dekada. Yes. Malay mo, ikaw naman yung babae. Malay mo, ikaw naman yung lalaki. Yeah, ganun. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Ayan. Okay? I do. This is not the right timing for the both of you. Outcome. Justice. Kung anong tama, yun ang sundin. Okay? Lalo na nga kung merong involved. I don't know kung kaninong energy yung mayroon ng person. Yeah, the Two of Swords. You need to avoid this. Kahit mahirap. Kahit mahirap. Ang bigat nito, Cancer. Ay, kabigat. Oh. The Two of Swords. This is, you need to avoid this. No? Kahit gustong gusto mo na kumunik. Or vice versa. Okay? Kahit gusto man nitong taong to na kumunik. Ang mangyayari is pipiliin at pipiliin. This is a decision. Decision, tingnan nyo kung ano yung tama. Titingnan kung ano yung tama. Okay? There is justice, so someone is pwedeng married na. Okay? Andito, maybe, may another chance sa another lifetime. Ang hirap ng ganito. Ang hirap ng ganoong reading. Okay. So, next is new person. Okay. So, if you're interested sa new person, yeah, if you're single ngayon, okay, tingnan natin kung ano ba ang meron sa taong paparating when it comes to love. Okay? For Cancerians, please. Single Cancerians. Anong meron sa taong ito na papalapit sa'yo, paparating sa'yo when it comes to love? Dark male. Okay, so pwedeng, pwedeng isa sa inyo is dark, no? Sa complexion. Okay, sa complexion. True love. Okay. So, isa pa. Kuha pa ako. For Cancerians. Okay. Pwedeng ikaw, itong dark. No? So, disregard the gender. Okay. Kasi nakalagay dito is dark male. Okay. So, if you're a woman, then, if you're a man, okay. Tingnan natin. Ano pang meron sa taong ito na papalapit sa iyo? Courting. So, there's courtship. So, I guess this person is attracted. Yeah. Dating. Okay? So, pwedeng magkakilala kayo ng taong ito while you're searching. While you're parang together with your friends at the bar. Parang ganyan. Yeah. So, itong taong to, pwedeng, magkakaroon kayo ng connection nito. Courting man. So, may pagpupursue ako nakikita. I don't know kung kanino manggagaling. Siyempre, doon sa lalaki siguro. No? Well, kung ikaw is Amazona ka, na babae, oo. Kung ikaw si, pangalan nun? Si Sina, the warrior princess, baka, ikaw yung mag-court. Kilala nyo ba yun? Nakapagtsikahan pa. Okay. Tingnan natin. So, tawan-tawa. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron sa taong ito? Situation muna. Kunin natin. Situation. Cancerians. Yeah, the Page of Wands. This is like getting attention. Okay? So, itong taong to pwedeng magpapapansin sa'yo. Ganyan. Tawa ako din Sina, the warrior princess. Okay, yeah, the Page of Swords. So, meron ditong, I think, back and forth, pagpapalitan ng messages. Okay? So, someone is like, hindi ko ina-advise sa inyo na parang ma-attach ka kaagad. Okay? Kung ano ibinibigay sa'yo, yun lang din ang ibigay mo. Okay? I think this person is open, no? Sa pakikipag-date. Okay? Hanggang communication lang muna ang nakikita ko sa kanya. Yeah, sa inyong dalawa. Ano bang kanyang emosyon if ever? Anong emosyon niya sa'yo if ever? The Six of Wands, yeah. So, there is attraction. Pwedeng, nakukuha mo or makukuha mo yung attention niya. So, ibibigay naman niya yon, pero hindi niya totally like ipapakitang attached sa'yo. Okay? So, Six of Wands. Yeah, and the Seven of Swords. Okay. Itong taong ito is like, emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. Andun yung flirt. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands, Universe. Hindi to totally, parang, I think this person is open nga lang in general. No? Open. Tingnan ko kung ano emosyon mo. Cancer, ano emosyon mo pagdating sa taong to? If ever, the Five of Swords. Yeah, the Eight of Wands, Universe. So, pareho lang din. So, this is you, the Chariot in reverse. Okay. Magkakaroon dito ng parang runner and chaser. Yes, runner and chaser. Kasi parang yung isa is mawawalan bigla or titigil bigla sa pagpupursue or parang titigil sa parang ah, pag-entertain, yan, ganyan, okay? Yeah. The Page of Wands, Universe, ito rin yung failed start. Okay? Failed start. So, tingnan natin anong next action if ever. The Seven of Wands. Oh. Okay. And, Seven of Wands Universe and the High Priestess. Okay. So, mayroon ditong magiging open. Okay. I don't know. In general, okay, kasi pwedeng, ang nakikita ko lang dito is, sinasabi lang or sasabihin lang sa'yo ng taong to na attracted siya sa'yo, ganyan. Pero, when it comes to emotion, wala. Okay, so I guess, next action niya is, pwedeng i-open na lahat ng i-open. Yeah. Okay, pero ikaw, I don't know. Hindi rin ina-advise ni universe na ikaw is totally mag-open up din sa kanya. I don't know. Pero it's up to you. Kung landing-landi ka na, edi go. Okay? Pero, oo, no? Depende sa'yo. Maging matalino. Okay? Etong taong ito ha, Cancer. May possibility na kahit hindi totoo yung sinasabi niya, kasi may chance na ganun, pwedeng hindi lahat ng sasabihin is totoo, and pwedeng ano lang yun like pain, no? Ipapain lang sa'yo yung mga ganong salita na bibitawan niya para ikaw is sumagot din. So, be careful. Okay? Anong outcome, if ever? Outcome. Yeah, the moon in reverse. My goodness. Okay, getting out of the dark. There is, tawag doon, clarity. Oo, naku po. Tingnan natin ano bang mangyayari. Ayan na, death in reverse. The Five of Coins. So, nakakita ko rito ng pagkakaintindihan ninyong dalawa. I don't know kung magtatagal ito. Okay, I don't know. Wala akong makuhang ganon. I think, andito yung palitan ng message, mag-meet kayo palagi, ganyan, if ever na magkalapit kayo, or may chance na mag-travel lang din, or kung hindi man, pwedeng, parang, yun nga, communication lang ng taong to, yan, ganyan. Ang nakikita ko, pero pagdating sa pakikipag, sabihin natin, seryosohan, wala pa dun. Wala pa sa ganung punto. Okay? So, mas maganda, yung mga kailangan mong i-secret muna sa ngayon, i-secret mo muna. Kasi hindi ko rin nararamdaman na itong taong to is lahat sinasabi or sasabihin sa'yo. Okay? Kasi some of them, meron lang mga pain na salita para kumagat ka. So, be careful. Okay? Maging wise. Ha? Okay? Mahirap pa naman. Ha? Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for Cancerian placement. So, yeah. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.